Imagine you're sleeping peacefully, then suddenly your partner nudges you and says, "Babe, your snoring is so loud," with a light-hearted tone. But snoring isn't just about the noise. It actually means your airway is blocked while you sleep. And if it happens often, it can increase the risk of high blood pressure, even heart problems. The good news? You can reduce snoring with simple steps. First, try to sleep on your side, not your back. Maintain a healthy weight, and avoid alcohol and smoking before bed. Try it tonight. Your sleep will be calmer, and your partner will thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips.